Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching this video from. Today's video, guys, I just wanted to show you the simple movements that we are doing here at our plot where we are building or where we are completing our building. So you can see like where I am, need to complete to do what's this, the roofing sheets here. The roofing sheets, we have them, but the remaining thing is the timbers and everything. So but so far so good. We've started repairing. You can see how we've done it. You can see we've landscaped the area here inside the kitchen. That is a dining room when you go that side, and this is a kitchen. So this is what we are doing for today. So guys, this is our work. This is what we are going to do today. So it's one of the work that is I can say for me it's so involving. You see, Nana, somebody is saying hi. Appreciate abantu tumeshana. Talefwa. Kan stop ten tuskuse kansi. Okay, so this is it, guys. So, and that is our what do they call scaffold. This is a scaffold which is going to be used for these people are going to be putting the timbers and the roofing sheets here. And so this is this is the sitting room, like I said. This is a kitchen. You can see it's quite simple, big. And here there is a dining room. This is a dining room, and it's quite also big. One thing that I'm proud of is the living room. The living room is so good and so gorgeous, so beautiful, I'm telling you, and so big. You can see it's quite big. At least you can have that I don't know, the comfortability of being here. Also here at the corner here, this is where we are going to put our fridges. You see, this is where we're going to put our fridges, and I don't know the other thing, but this is where the fridge is going to be. The boys were cleaning inside, who are landscaping inside. They were throwing this outside, you can see here, but this is not where I wanted them to throw. I wanted them to throw behind the house where there is some holes there, but anyway, we didn't have the wheelbarrow, so they had to put there for some time, because if we look for the wheelbarrow, then we are going to throw them this side. So I wanted them to bring those what do they call that soil which they've thrown there here. This is where I wanted them to bring them. Now yesterday they told me to say there is no wheelbarrow, so we are looking for a wheelbarrow, or we are going to borrow somewhere so that we can put them, because we need to level this area. You see, we need to level this area. The person who was here, the person who sold us this land, he was making some blocks. You know, this land is a good land for making these blocks, these ones, the ones that you're seeing. So he was making the same blocks and he was selling them. That's why you're seeing that hole there, or that. Let me show you something. That's why there is this. So he was digging this whole thing here for him to make bricks and sell them. So he used to make a lot of money, because you can see the amount of soil which came out from this area. It's a lot. So he used to make blocks, and then he thought that the land is done. Maybe he has destroyed the land, so he had to sell it. And then I bought it from him, and we are going to maintain it. So we are going to look for some cars. We are going to look for trucks, which will be carrying balance the soil. So we are going to put them here. We're going to put them here. We are going to level this area up, or we are going to landscape the area. But all in all, these are some of our movements that we are doing here, and I'm so happy that something is happening, and I'm so happy that we are doing something. So it's just a great thing to see these little movements. So this is it. And we need to clean this. We need to get some blocks here, and we are going to fit them into the windows. So when we get those blocks there, we are going to put them in these windows. Let me just get inside so that I show you properly. So we are going to put them here. This is a window. We're going to put them here because we don't have money to buy the windows at the moment. We also need to save again. And again, you're going to put them here, those blocks. So those blocks, they are not done. Even in these two windows here and this door, we are going to cross it before we buy another, the real door, and we look for money that we are going we look for money for us to complete all these. And there is need for some filling. You see this area, when the area is covered, we need some blocks to cover this. So those blocks, they are very little, so we need to buy them, and I hope the money that we have is going to help us. You can see even there. So we've been sleeping in this house with that wall, that uncompleted building there. So these are small movements that has been happening here. So guys, and somebody might say, oh Timothy, I would love to help you in something for you to complete your building. Please, the number is here on the screen. You can support me, please, and your support will be appreciated. You know, I'm just trying to do my best. So far, this is the best that I've done. You know, it's not easy. Building is not easy, I'm telling you. It's not easy. It's not easy. Like for me, this is my first big project that I've done. So I'm feeling that pain in short. I'm feeling that pain, like, okay, this is it. This is needed. And everything is falling on me, you know, and I've got only one source of income, which is my business. So I've been saving a lot. Like since starting last year, I've been saving just to try to maintain this building, to complete this building. You see, and I thank God, finally it is coming to an end. Tomorrow we are going to start putting the roofing sheets here. For the money that we've saved, like I told you, I said that we've saved $345, which is in kwacha. We can say it's 10,000 kwacha, or 9,000 point something. So this is what we have saved, and we are going to see where it is going to take us. I know that money is very little. For me, I know, because there will be a lot of things which will be needed each and every day. So These are some of the movements, guys. So please, if you say, please, Timothy, I would love to support you or appreciate. You see, this is what we are going to do next. So by tomorrow, we are going to finish the roofing sheet, like I said, and what will remain is now putting the electricity here. It's another cost. Buying the window frames and windows, it's another cost. Buying the door frames and the doors, it's another cost. So there is a lot of things to do here. There is a lot of things, guys, a lot of them, because for you to finish up your building and for it to look like, okay, this is now a beautiful building. Yay. Anyway, guys, this is it for today.